A Colville company is on the cutting edge of what would become a mass timber revolution.
Vaagen-timbers believes it's only the 6th manufacturer of cross-laminated timber in North America. Deis has the details in our latest edition of Made in the Northwest.
Buildings made with cross-laminated timber are commonplace in Europe, but it's a relatively new concept here. So to say russ-vaagen, whose family has owned vaagen-brothers-lumber for more than 70 years, is excited about his new venture would be an understatement.
We could put this as the mass timber capital in North America eventually.
Cross-laminated timber is an eco-friendly wood panel product made from gluing layers of lumber together. Vaagen says it's kind of like a Lego set.
We're actually putting together a kit that a builder can do very rapidly, high quality, and goes together the same way every time. And so it's going to speed the construction time up. It's going to provide a much higher quality build. We're going to be much more energy efficient.
Vaagen-timbers can build its CLT panels up to 60 feet wide with varying depths. And Vaagen says it's 1/5 the weight of steel and concrete with the same structural strength.
So we'll have a lighter, more nimble building. It'll also be much better equipped to handle seismic shifts.
And it can be used for all sorts of applications.
Mid-rise structures for commercial buildings, apartments, and even homes.
CLT panels start with pieces of lumber on the finger jointer machine.
We take knives and we make a set of fingers, and they do, just as it says, they joint together. And then we use pressure and an adhesive to tie those together.
After the wood is planed, it goes to the layup line, where those pieces of lumber get turned into panels.
So we take 4 feet of wood, we lift it up all together, put it on the conveyor, gets a layer of glue.
A set of vacuums then lifts and places each additional layer.
Sets it on top of that glued layer, 90 degrees to the other layer, comes back through the glue, gets another long layer set back on it.
The now heat-cured panels then get cut by giant saws on the CNC line.
We're cleaning up the cuts. We're making the connections to go panel to panel if we're doing a wall or a floor system.
After sanding, they're ready to ship.
The first local project to use vaagen-timber CLT is here at Blockhouse Life in Spokane's Perry District. It's the 14-unit modular structure that was just recently completed.
And Vaagen says his company is now supplying CLT for similar projects across the country, from Seattle all the way to Brooklyn, New York.
So we'll make boxes, basically, that can be repeatable, but they can be customized. And it's modular, so ultimately you could pick it up and move it and put it someplace else.
Vaagen says Spokane and Washington as a whole are poised to be leaders in CLT and mass timber products, and that has them excited about Vaagen-timber's potential for growth.
There's just no losers. Everybody wins, and we're going to be offering incredible structures for people to build with for years to come.
For Made in the Northwest, I'm Deis, 4 News Now.